Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, cross-traffic alert, power sun moonroof, blind spot monitor, Toyota Tundra. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.